Yeah, our lawn is looking pretty good right now, I think. Ladies and gentlemen, you do it in this video. We're going to put down Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action. So this fertilizer kills weeds, prevents crabgrass, and feeds your lawn. So now you don't have to get crabgrass preventer. Now you can get Triple Action. This bag here handles 4,000 square feet, and it says that the setting needs to be 3 1/4, but I found that doing this, it's going too quickly, so I dialed it back to 2 1/4. Now we don't water our lawn. Here. All right, now I'm doing the side yard. Now my cutoff is right about here. So I'll go to the back of our property, straight back. Okay, I'm gonna hit the tree. And we'll loop around it. Make sure we get all this. Make sure it's even and looks good. Okay, and now we'll do the edge here. Make sure we get up to the mulch. All right, I just want to show you the lawn. All right, so this is after application of the Triple Action Scott's. And we have, our lawn is really looking healthy. I mean, of course it's springtime, so springtime is usually the healthiest time of the year for the lawn. Again, we don't water our lawn. It's just natural. We just let things take care of it. But you can see, I know last year we had a lot of dandelions this time. You can spot a few dandelions. See some of the flowers, the seedlings popping up. You know, the seed pods there. So yeah, our lawn is looking pretty good right now, I think. But Mrs. You Do It said whatever I applied I got to do more of, so yeah, we'll do a little bit more. There's a few. And the Triple Action stops crabgrass too. So for a little bit, I think I still need to apply halts based on reviews I was reading. But yeah, really happy with how the lawn's coming out now. Some clover there along the edge, but again, that's along the edge, right? We had EdgeGaurd on. So pretty happy with how it came out.